Hi, my name is Sarah Cardenas. When I was 6 years old, me and my 10-year-old sister and my mother moved into a small two-bedroom apartment. My mother was only 29 years old, raising two girls on her own, but every day she came home from work, she still found time to spend with my sister and I. Her strength as a woman and as a mother has guided me throughout my life. When I turned 15, my mom pushed me to get my first job, which led me to buying my first car. My mother pushed me to work hard so that I could earn something that was mine. And by doing this, I really built confidence in myself as a young woman that I could take care of myself and I could have something that was mine and mine alone, even at a young age as 15. At 18, I started college and unable to pay for classes, I decided to join the military. I knew I had to be a social worker, so whatever I could do to become a social worker, whether it was joining the military or taking out student loans, I was going to do it. So at 19, I finally decided to join, and being thrown into something that I had no idea about and then succeeding at it allowed me to become stronger as an individual and really take confidence in myself and believe in myself as a young woman. And also having the ability to take care of myself and, put myself through school also helped with that. As a young airman, I also started to work out more, and it's really become a big stress reliever for me and something that just helps me get through my day. And I feel completely cleansed at the end of a workout. So, without my mother's ability to instill confidence in myself as a young woman, I wouldn't have made the decisions that I made to get me to where I am today.